Stuck with the iPad, not enough storage error, creating canvases in Ibis Paint. Let's fix it fast. First, clear that Ibis Paint cache. It's often bloated with temporary data. Go to Settings, General, iPad Storage, find Ibis Paint X, select Offload app, then reinstall. This frequently resolves data issues and reclaims space quickly. If that doesn't work, Method 2 tackles overall iPad storage. Navigate to Settings, iPad Storage, and follow recommendations. Delete large files, old downloads, optimize photos. Reclaim those vital gigabytes. Still no luck. Method 3. Manage your Ibis Paint artwork directly. Open Ibis Paint X, go to My Gallery and delete any unwanted or duplicate canvases. These accumulate rapidly, consuming massive space. Finally, Method 4. Check iCloud Drive Sync. Sometimes Ibis Paint files sync here, doubling storage use. In Settings, Apple ID, iCloud manage storage and disable unnecessary syncs. Implement these steps now to get your Ibis Paint back to full creative power!